welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a little quick unboxing, and this time it is for a influencer Voxbox, and here it is. And this time it is a NYX Voxbox. This is what it looks like. It says our first skincare serum and a concealer. Oh, that's exciting. I don't think I've ever tried anything from NYX, like foundation or like concealer type of thing. So I got my handy dandy blade right here, and let's open this up. Ta-da! Oh, and if you guys don't know what Influencer is, it is a company that pretty much sends you free stuff for you to review. You just have to go sign up. It is completely free. You have to link your Facebook, Instagram, whatever you have, and answer a few questions and write a bunch of reviews, and they will eventually send you free stuff to review. Anyways, I will have the link in the description box so you guys could sign up. It is completely free. But anyways, this is what the box looks like inside. It comes with a card as usual, and it just says get started, log into your influencer profile on the app and check out the NYX Professional Makeup Voxbox. So this one is a NYX Professional Makeup Voxbox. And in the back it says new Bare With Me Concealer Serum, our first skincare serum and a concealer. 24-hour hydration plus medium coverage for dark circles, acne, redness, and dry patches. So I'm excited. And here is the little concealer. It looks like they sent me the correct shade, or hopefully it's not too white. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm super excited for this, you guys. And it looks like it comes with a pump. I've never tried a NYX concealer. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried this. I did get this Voxbox almost a month ago, and I just had time to open it, so maybe this concealer is already in store. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. And they sent me the shade of Vanilla. Okay, so it says up to 24-hour hydration, smoothing medium coverage for dark circles, acne, redness, dry patches, infused with Termella mushroom, Sika green tea, vegan formula for face and body. Prep skin with Bare With Me jelly primer. Apply Bare With Me concealer serum and finish with Bare With Me multitasking spray to set look. And it is cruelty free. So yeah, that's that. Here, let me open it up so you guys could see what it looks like. I'm not gonna put it on my face right now because I obviously have concealer on my face and powder and whatnot. So maybe I'll do a get ready with me one of these days, or maybe in my Vlogmas, because I am going to be doing Vlogmas this year. Here, I do have this swatch right here. So let's pretend that's like a scab or something, and let's try to cover that up. So it does have a little pump. Oh my lord, I just wasted like a whole month worth of concealer. Not a whole month, but I did get a bunch of it out. And anyways, that's what it looks like. It did feel kind of watery when it came out. That's a lot of concealer. I don't even use that much on my face. Let's see if it covers that liquid lipstick up. Okay, this is very liquidy, and as you can see, it is covering it up. Okay, so it doesn't feel thick, and it feels nice. It covered that up, you guys. I mean, I obviously have like a thick ass layer, but still. This is medium coverage, not full coverage. So this is pretty cool. I'm excited for this. I mean, it's kind of peeking through. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is like super white. But I mean, for under circles, I think it's gonna be good. I'm definitely going to be trying this concealer on my face tomorrow. If I have time, I'll film a get ready with me, but I'm not sure because I'm still doing homework and all of that, but we will see. It doesn't feel super thick. It feels breathable. It smells like Play-Doh or something. I don't know. Paint? I don't know. It's not bad. I actually like how paint smells. Maybe it's the mixture of the liquid lipstick and the concealer together. Anyways, that is everything that I got from Influencer and this little Voxbox. I'm super happy that they sent me this, and I can't wait to try it out. So thank you so much, Influencer and NYX, for sending me this Voxbox. And if you guys haven't tried out Influencer, make sure to go check them out. I will have them linked in the description box. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.